So here's a fairly common problem. You've got a website and it's fairly attractive. You've got your products, you're featuring your services. You've got users coming to interact with the website, but they're not reaching out to you and they're not really establishing any sales. They're not contacting you. They're not giving you any of their information. So it's hard to really get that action from the user in order to close a sale or get them to hire you for your services. So we've been brainstorming this with one of my clients, Creative Landscape Depot, and we've come up with a couple creative ways, no pun intended, for getting that action to happen. So let's say we're scrolling through the site, we're a user, we're not logged in, but we want some further functionality that you might otherwise need to be logged in to do, such as, let's say we're cruising through home accents and we're looking at the garden art. Someone who's logged in would be able to create something like a wish list. So what we've done is we've leveraged wish list like features and logged in like features to be able to add things to an inspiration board. So as I'm adding these items, I'm hovering over each image and I'm clicking this clipboard icon, and it's telling me that it's been added to the inspiration board. And up here under DIY, there's a notification. This is very Facebook-ish, where I'm taking action, it's giving me notifications and feedback, and it's making me curious about this number. What's this number for? So I go to my inspiration board to find out. And those are the items that I've added to the board. I'm not logged in. This isn't something where I've had to sign up and confirm through email and go through that whole process. We all know how hard it is to get a user to sign up and remember their passwords. I haven't done any of that yet. We're just really leveraging some new code that's available to modern browsers through LocalStorage in order to give that same experience. As long as they're using this same browser, they'll be able to have the ability to essentially create a wish list dynamically, which is very cool. And then with this wish list, they can get pricing for any of these. If I hover over, there's an icon with a $sign, and if I click that, it's going to dynamically generate a website, or an email for that product with a little message that's pre-written. I haven't filled out a form. It's just a one click and that email is ready to go. I could stick my name in there and send. I'm not going to send that just because I don't want to confuse them right now. Why is Ryan trying to buy one of these Akahanga no-hat sculptures? Not something I want to send, so that's just for demo. And let's say I didn't want to share this board with the Creative Landscape Depot sales team, but maybe I wanted to post it to Facebook or send it to a friend. There's a share your board button where I'm able to get a shareable link. So if I click that, it creates a unique link, which I can copy. And then let's say I've got a new tab and I'm going to send this link to somebody. I can use this link however I like. And there it is. I can share these images with anyone I want. It's pretty awesome. I could email them, I could put them into social media, I could do whatever I like, and it's a static page now. So I've built a web page and I'm not logged in. I'm a user that essentially created a wish list, and I can share the wish list. And look, I'm hovering over these images. There's no pricing or ability to edit them anymore. And I've got my notes on there, and it's all tied into this Creative Landscape Depot website. So I'm also driving valuable traffic to this website through this added value of being able to create a wish list without having logged in. Pretty fun. It's a good way of leveraging the new local storage ability in these modern browsers, and it's kind of a fun thing to think of, like, how can you start to leverage these things for your own users and not force people to log in to do some stuff that's more interactive. Thanks for watching.